I've been doing sales for a long time. I know how to build relationships with a client. But today, executives are busy. I leave voicemails and emails and, yada yada, and they'll go. It makes me want to, what? I can't say that. It makes me mad. You get it. So my company hired these touchy-feely, relationship experts. Though I consider myself a, touchy-feely guy, I know how to be touchy-feely. And I'm a relationship expert. In today's market climate, that doesn't always work. I need to understand psychology and prospect behavior and all this complicated stuff. This is what I pay the Vanilla Group for. I can't believe what they did. They got prospects to talk without any help. Help? Yeah, they didn't need it. They found out what companies are working on and what we can do for them. They help me to help them. I never thought it was possible. I've been the pushy sales guy for a long time. Bug the prospects until they watch the demo, buy our stuff, push, push, push. But doing it this way, not only is it easier, everybody leaves happy. And honestly, I kind of like being a nice guy. I don't have to carry this around anymore. I have so many positive experiences now, I can't even believe it. Prospects want to talk to me. They take my calls. Who knew? I'm telling you, times sure have changed. The old ways of being, me, they're long gone. And now I can be a partner in profit with my clients and help them to succeed. I'm a real professional now. And not only that, they help me learn how to be, not quite as much me. Maybe a better me. Yeah, I like that. I'm a better me now. It makes me want to, send you a thank you note and not bug them, but deliver content that has actual value for them. It has made me be all that I can be as a sales rep. So if you run a sales team and, need some help engaging with your enterprise accounts, you can put that brass knuckle approach away and work with the firm that gets you in there, the Vanilla Group, and their remote relationship management approach. Everything from lead gen to key account development. They're there with you 100%. Take it from a guy who knows. If they can help me, yeah, they can help you. Call them and find out for yourself at 888-335-0340. One more time, write it down. It's 888-335-0340. Get in touch with them.